Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make Jeera rice. Jeera rice is a wonderful variation to your normal rice, and on a day when you feel bored to eat just plain rice, you can have it with a nice interesting tempering of cumin seeds or jeera to it. So let's see how to make this awesome Jeera rice.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.
To make Jeera rice, we have taken 3 cups of basmati chawal or long grain rice, which we have soaked in water for about half an hour. It's important to soak basmati chawal in water because then the texture is really good. Here we've heated some ghee in a pan, and to this let's add 2 cardamom pods or elaichi. Followed by the cumin seeds or jeera. This is 4 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Allow these to splutter. We've also added 1 cinnamon stick or dalchini. Now we'll add the chopped green chilies. These are 4 green chilies finely chopped. And we'll also add in pudina or mint leaves along with this. This is 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves. Mix these in. Let's allow the green chilies to cook a bit. Now we'll add the dhania or coriander leaves finely chopped. 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Mix this in. Now we'll add in water, which is about twice the quantity of the rice that we had taken. So we had taken 3 cups of rice, so we have taken 6 cups of water. The water has come to a boil, and at this stage let's add in the rice. Mix it well. Now let's add salt. And the entire mixture has come to a boil now. So we are going to cover this and allow it to cook for around 7 to 10 minutes. Remember to keep checking the rice in between while it's cooking. So as you can see, after 10 minutes the rice is now almost cooked and it looks so delicious. You can see every grain apart, and this is the texture of the jeera rice that we want. We don't want it too mushy, but we want it well cooked. And even if it's 90% done, you can switch off the flame if all the water has evaporated, and cover it and allow it to sit so the rice will be cooked in the heat itself. Yummy jeera rice is all ready to serve. You can serve jeera rice with dal and any sabzi of your choice. It goes well with any vegetable. And you can also serve it with raita, pickle, any other accompaniment. We really hope you like this recipe of jeera rice. Try it out, give us a feedback. Thank you.